Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi and I do all things beauty, all cost-effective beauty things. And really quickly, before we get into the video, I'm going to go ahead and ramble off all of that awesome YouTube jargon that everybody tries to say. So
go ahead and stalk me right here. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like me on all of my other social medias that I have listed in the description box below. Okay,
so after that jargon, I just wanted to share with you guys that I did a chemical peel. Yes, another one. I'm trying to look young forever, okay? So, basically, I have no makeup on right now. I have a little bit of brow gel. I have on some mascara, and then I have on a tinted lip balm, okay? But I have nothing on my skin right now, and basically this is what my skin looks like, and you guys are gonna see what it looks like before. Okay, so really quick, before we go ahead and get into the whole tutorial portion of it, I am going to tell you that I bought this kit right here off of Amazon, and the kit comes with these 3 products, so that's what you pay for. It came within a week or so the shipping wasn't bad. And the brand is called Skin Obsession. I'll go ahead and link their site that I bought it from on Amazon down in the description box below. So it comes with a peel moisturizer that you will need. It comes with the Jessner's chemical peel itself, and it also comes with a peel cleanser. So they give you the cleanser and the moisturizer. The cleanser and the moisturizer are pretty basic, pretty comparable to the things that I already use in my skincare routine, except for the moisturizer is a little bit thicker and it tends to stay a little more emollient throughout the day as far as sinking into my skin. So it sits more on the surface, I feel, than my other moisturizer, where I feel like my other moisturizer sunk into my skin pretty quickly within an hour. So let's go ahead and talk about some things, okay? So I have hyperpigmentation right here, some sunspots on my forehead. I know you guys can see that. This right here, this one right here, and this little bit of thing right here. Those 3, I'm not giving them any bad points for that, because I popped this one, I popped this one, and I popped this one, which totally I should not have done. I should have just left it alone, because the chemical peel made it come to the surface. So, or the little ultrasonic machine that I use, you know, either one. So if you haven't seen my ultrasonic review, first impressions or whatever, I'll link that right here. So just so you know what I'm talking about. Those are basically, this is the results that I got from it. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial of how I did it. Hi guys, so it's morning time here in Oklahoma, and I felt like waking up and doing a chemical peel, and you guys are probably like, who does that? And I meant to do it last night actually, but I was tired, so I didn't. But today's skincare video is on a chemical peel. It's on the Jessner's chemical peel, and the Jessner's chemical peel is a salicylic based chemical peel, and I bought mine off of Amazon, and Amazon it was sold by this company right here. I have their little whole kit that I'm going to go through with you guys, from this company called Skin Obsessions, and that's awesome. that they sent me their little card. You need a few things. Really quick, I'm going to tell you guys how much it cost. It was $40.04 with shipping and taxes and stuff like that. And I want to say it came within a week. And they give you a whole list of instructions right here. Even though you guys are going to go through it with me, I do ad-lib a little bit. They don't suggest using a neutralizer, but from my experience from chemical peels, you need a neutralizer because it burns really bad. You need something to fan yourself with, or a little fan. In between the time you guys see me, the 5 minutes, I'm going to be sitting in front of a box fan. I'm not going to be sitting like over here. Okay. Yeah. So they say that you'll need rubbing alcohol, which I've used on this channel before, gentle facial cleanser, and I have that right here, my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, an electric fan or blower. Like I said, you're going to want to fan your face, and then a gentle moisturizer. They give us a moisturizer and then gauze pads, and they also gave us gauze pads. So they gave us, out of the whole kit, we have a peel moisturizer. Can I get this to... They gave that to us. They gave us the peel itself. And then they gave me this peel cleanser. And then they also gave me some gauze pads. They also gave me this little baggie of powder, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? No, it's like crystals. It's crushed crystals, and it was attached to here. But basically, it is a crystal exfoliating paste that you make with your hands after the chemical peel has completely stopped. So I might try to do a video if you guys are interested on how this would work after a chemical peel. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to do that for you guys. So first things first, I used last night my little Hydro Drop. So I'm going to use it every day for 2 weeks and give you guys an update on that from like a couple videos ago. And I'm going to wash my face really quickly and then go over it with alcohol, and then we'll start the peel. Okay guys, so I am done with the alcohol. It's completely dried off of my face, but you can see my face is still shiny, and that's because of the Hydro Drop. Like, it was not like that before, especially in this low lighting like this. You guys, this Hydro Drop is a game changer. I highly suggest that you check out the video that I did that with, and I'll link it right here. But open in a new tab because you need to finish watching this. So I have already my neutralizer paste that I use for when it burns too much, you know. And I would like to also preface that I have taken an ibuprofen 800 long time ago. You know, you got to prepare for things like this, and it's just going to help you out, because I find when I do chemical peels, like, it's such a stressor to my head that I get a headache. So if you feel like that might be you, like you just maybe have a sensitive head or something, then I would go ahead and take like some ibuprofen, however much you think is appropriate for you. And yeah, so I would also like to preface this by saying I have been to cosmetology school. However, I am not a dermatologist, a licensed esthetician, like none of those things. I am not doing this professionally. I'm showing you guys how I do this for myself. Okay. Okay. So now I am going. So the peel cleanser is for after you've done the peel. So I'm going to put this in my bathroom later. So this is the Jessner's peel. I have in this my little chemical peel cup. I have a little cotton pad, and then I also have another second cotton pad because I'm going to do 2 passes this time. I want to hit like my laugh lines really well because I've been noticing a little bit of creasing. Sometimes when I have to wear my makeup for a long time, I'm noticing creasing. I don't like that. So we're going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to try to hit my cheeks where most of my hyperpigmentation is at. See, this side isn't so bad, but this side has had a lot of breakouts recently because the Hydro Drop makes you go through like a purging stage. Like most devices that are like that, it kind of shimmies the dirt that's deep inside of your skin to the surface, so it's going to go through a purging stage. And plus I haven't been eating that good recently, so it comes from the inside out too. So I'm taking some accountability here. Let's go ahead and quit stalling, Bobbi. I'm going to put this onto the top, making sure it's decently saturated but not like drippy saturated, because if it's drippy saturated, it's going to drip down your face too. Nobody needs acid in the eye. And the most important part, I feel, is the Vaseline part where you protect your extremities, you know. I'm going to just go ahead and put some Carmex on. Mostly because I like the way Carmex smells. It reminds me of my dad, to be honest. Every time, when I was a little kid, he used to always have the pots of Carmex all the time, and he wouldn't let us wear makeup. Like, I was well over 13 before my dad would even let me wear makeup. And then, like, he didn't even like nail polish on his girls that much. Like, he was really sheltering. So he was just like, y'all are already gonna get it from the world anyways, so no, we're not gonna bring on extra things. So yeah, but he wouldn't let us have makeup or anything. But I remember putting on Carmex and I was like, I like how shiny my lips are. But it reminds me of my dad. So yeah. Okay guys, so now is the point of truth. After I get done with all of my passes, I am going to, so I have 5 minutes on my clock, and I'm going to start that as soon as I'm done with my first pass. Done with my first pass, and I want to say that this doesn't burn that bad at all. I'm saying that right now as I have just put it on. Now, I don't notice any initial frosting at all, so I am going to put a little bit of I'm gonna get ready for my second pass here. I think it's also really important to mention that towards the edges, I'm feathering a little bit down the neck because we don't want those lines of demarcation at all. Okay, so I have 3 minutes left with the second layer on, and I'm just gonna sit and fan. So I'll be right back towards the end. Okay. So I am done. I want to say that this is the first salicylic based chemical peel that I've had, and it burns, but I want to say it doesn't burn as much as a TCA peel, so that's always good. And hopefully I get some really good improvement to some of the acne scarring that I have. So I'm gonna put some of my trusty neutralizer on, and then I'm going to wash my face with the cleanser. And then I am going to put on some of this peel moisturizer, and then our time will be up. That's my tutorial of how I did the chemical peel. I didn't do it any differently than I do a glycolic. I didn't do it any differently than I do a TCA peel, which I have done those on my channel. I'll go ahead and link right here a playlist of skincare videos that I do actually do. Once, really quickly, I would like to state that I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not a licensed esthetician. I'm not trying to give you skincare advice. I'm just simply sharing my skincare journey with you. Okay? Okay. We're going to address the fact that they mentioned peeling, that they advertised that there is peeling. I have seen Jessner's chemical peels that actually peel your skin, which is what I was wanting. I wanted what Jessner's is marketed as a medium level depth penetrating chemical peel, kind of like TCA, but it's also mixed with salicylic acid to help treat anybody who has acne. So it was kind of more so, you know, it sounded really good, and then I found it online and completely and totally was not what I was expecting. Okay, I expected for my skin to peel. I wanted my skin to peel. But however, I did not get a chemical peel, I didn't get a chemical burn, nothing like that. So I did notice a lot on my nose here. Let me look right here. My nose, because I brought it down further on my nose than I typically do. I noticed a lot of blackheads that I had. They're gone. Yay. I noticed that my skin is like a lot shinier. It's been over a week since I've done the chemical peel, guys. So trust and believe. I've had enough time for it to try and peel. It flaked a little bit in certain areas, like in between my eyebrows right here. It flaked. It flaked a little bit on the sides of my mouth, and a little bit underneath of my lip right here. But other than that, it didn't even flake on my cheeks or anything. And I did 2 passes on my cheeks, and I did 2 passes on my forehead, just where I had the hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. You guys know I went ahead and did, yeah, you guys know. You know. So basically this is what happened. These are my results. I think they're decent results. I'm definitely going to use this tube up. Am I going to order it again? Probably not, because it didn't do what it said it was going to do. So I like products that do what they say they're going to do the first time. Okay. So basically this was my, not tutorial, but my explanation, my experience and stuff like that. And thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, blah, 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 blah. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.